one of these days, they're all going to match. Mark my words. One of these days. Guys, real quick. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. See this? Doing it. Okay, we're doing it. You ready? Look at that. Where are you? Oh my goodness. But this is so cute. Devil Miata. And we got all of them. Yo, I just didn't have any? That's a situation right there. Yeah. This one wanna face inside. Hey man. I won't leave it loose. Nah, let's not leave it loose. If it's gonna be like that, we just gonna let it live. You know what I mean?